Hi, my name is Florian Reider and I'm a pianist and composer.
My name is Wieda. I'm a dancer, choreographer and a dance teacher. So we think dance and music, especially for younger people, helps them to learn how to work in teams and also how to communicate with each other.
Yeah, this artistic approach to problem solving is, I think, very important because it's just another way of looking at solutions, coming up with solutions, and it's just very different to what we're used to do.
Yeah, exactly. And why this topic? Because we feel like we're kind of lost in this digital world, and we want to give them the artistic opportunity to find back to nature. How does nature inspire and influence artistic expressions?
How can we use already existing material and surroundings for working on problems instead of trying to come up with something new every single time?
Also, how can individuality be used for creating a story together?
And how can we find alternative ways to use our environment in a respectful and meaningful manner?
Also, how to use different perspectives in creating together.
Be open-minded, be open-hearted, try to be experimental, and don't be afraid of making mistakes.
And don't be afraid to include yourself. Don't be afraid to bring in your own ideas into the project.